What on earth are you doing? Oh. This is what happens when you turn around for 2 seconds. Don't touch it. Well, she knows what it's for, I guess. Hey, what are you doing? Plunging the toilet? Wow. Could there be anything grosser that you could be doing right at this moment? Can we be all done now? Put it back. It's all done. Thank you for helping. All done. Are you going to be a plumber when you grow up? Hey, don't touch it. No touch. Alright, say goodbye to the camera. I just woke up and I'm in the toilet. You got crazy hair too. Bye.